Psalms number 1, verses 1 to 6. Verse 1. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of scoffers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. Verse 3. He is like a tree planted by streams of water that yields its fruit in its season, and its leaf does not wither. In all that he does, he prospers. Verse 4. The wicked are not so, but are like a chaff that the wind drives away. Verse 5. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. Verse 6. For the Lord knows the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. Late nampak kat, tangkat pan tanggut, tangkat minuam sa iji tepen, mikilau te kuzilau ni, mimo te gamtat bang gamtalau ni, mitu simlau te to kipolo ni ahihi, tang ni mau semapen to baca sumbek mahia, sulezanin amatu asun sunmi ahihi. Tang tum ama pen dilogea kiswan ama ka unin ka ate abungelo singkung to kibangi ahi nang ama pai mama hi tamri migilo te ahi le tua bang hilo wi le anva to kibang le lu hi tam tai changin migilo te in chuan na chok zo lo ding wa mimo te Mitik ko sunga ki hel chay lo di nguhi Bahang yam chile Tupa in mitik te lam lagin huwa Mikilaw te ahile Simay mang ding hi